say that you did not have 60 seconds to stop and listen to this video? Well, that's a problem. That's why you need to click the link in comments or in the profile to attend our workshop, Master Your Perfect Day. You know, if you're like me, there are 36 hours worth of things to get done in 24 hours and we have to sleep. Well, after 25 years of being in the real estate industry, I have had to develop a skill, habits, and use tools to master my perfect day. And I want to share them with you. There is a formula to living and leading your best life and being purposed and intentional in each and every day where you accomplish your goals and fulfill your dreams. You can't afford to miss out. So go ahead and click that link and I'll see you in the room where we're mastering our perfect day.